Ashley K here, back with another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different from my normal videos that I have on my channel. I don't think I've done this type of video before, so this is the first time we're doing a video like this. And before we get started today, if you guys are not subscribed, what are you doing, girl? Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss when the kid posts again. And yes, join the family because you know we lit over here. I actually wanted to go ahead and talk about this subscription company that I actually saw floating around on Instagram a couple of days ago. I was on Instagram and I saw this company like post an ad, something talking about a free box for the first month that you sign up, and you just pay shipping for the box and you get like free products. So basically, essentially, not free, but you know, very cheap products. So basically all you're paying for is just shipping, and you sign up for this subscription company and you get a box for free with a whole bunch of goodies. So the company I'm talking about is called Babe Box. I'll get close so you guys can see. It's called Babe Box. I actually just ran downstairs and got this in the mail today, so I wanted to go ahead and unbox it with you guys so you guys can see what they have to offer, see if this is good for you. I don't know if they're still doing the promotion, the 1 month free. I don't know if that's going to be a continuation type of thing, but honestly, I only paid $7 for shipping, you guys. And even if you don't like the products, you only pay $7 for the shipping, and then you could cancel the subscription and you still get free products anyways. So yeah, if this is something that you're interested in, you guys want to sign up if you want products just for the first month and then see if you like it or not and then cancel it, you know, honestly, it's still a good deal all the way around. I'm not sure how much they charge for the monthly subscription after the free month, but I'm pretty sure they'll have information inside here. So without further ado, let's get into the box. So let's open this girl up. I kind of already took off the tape and everything else, so I kind of did peek already, you guys, but anyways. So how your box comes, it just comes like this. So everything is like wrapped. It has these little kind of, you know, fun little confetti things to make it look kind of cute. So I think that's a nice touch. It comes with a card here and it just says, "Hey there, babe. We are super excited to share with you another month of new Babe Box edition, all in an all new take on beauty subscription box curated for you. The Babe Box community has grown exceptionally and now counts more than 10,000 babes." Oh, cool. First, we'd like to thank you for your amazing journey, and we would like to introduce you to the next part of our journey together. Let us know how we're doing so far. Hashtag love Babe Box. So it just says that on the little card here. And on the back, it shows you what you get inside of the box. And actually, which is cool, I think this is cool that they actually put the pricing of how much everything is, so you can kind of see how much you're getting for just a low price. To keep in mind, I only paid $7 for shipping, you guys. So the first thing that they talk about is some hand cream. They say it's for $20. Actually, I'll go through this after I show you guys what's inside the box. So it comes like this. It's all wrapped up. Like I said, I did take a peek and took off all this tissue paper, but it did come pretty wrapped. And these are some lashes by Bathing Pond. I think that's what it says. It's kind of hard to read, but it just looks like this. Ooh, these are cute. So it's just lashes that look like this. They're not too dramatic, not too crazy looking, which is what I like about these. Very natural. If you're into that sort of look, this is a nice little gift for you. So, and it comes with a magnetic case, which is really cute. Is some eyelash glue. So, and it's by the company Babe itself. So, and it just looks like this. I'm gonna take it out of the box so we can see how it looks. You always need eyelash glue, girl. So this is a nice touch. It just looks like this. It's clear. We'll have to test this out and see if it actually does really well for lashes. I'll let you guys know. Product I'm pulling out, this is by the brand Oriza Beauty. Never heard of them, but just looks like this, right? And then we open it. Oh, this is a pretty color. This is such a nice color for fall. I don't know if you guys could see. It's kind of like a dark mauve red kind of color, burgundy type of look. I used to wear these colors all the time in the fall, so, and I kind of want to get back into color lipsticks, so I just been like, you know, lip glossing it out and just been on my lip gloss wave. But I might try and do some little color coming up, or I already messed it up. But yeah, so this is very pretty. Doesn't have, okay, it's the name of the color is Opus, I think is what it's called, but very pretty, very nice. I am gonna be trying this out by the brand Jericho. Oh, I got the lipstick on my hand. It's called by the brand Jericho Cosmetics, and it's a hand cream enriched with Dead Sea minerals for all skin types. So it just looks like this. Sorry guys, I already got lipstick on here, I'm so messy, but it just looks like this. And let's give it a smell. Let's see how it smells. It smells okay. It kind of has like a, you know, sea kind of smell to it. Let's test it out, because you know you can always do some hand cream, girl, especially when you ask you, and I'm asking you right now. So let's try this out and see. It feels really good on the skin. The set is really nice and fresh, which is really pretty about that. So I'll definitely be using this. I always need hand cream, especially where I work. I'm always washing my hands. This is by Bang Beauty, and it's a cream color. I'm not sure if it's a cream like lip gloss or a cream like eyeshadow. I don't know. It kind of just looks like this. It's pink. So I'm not sure what this is used for. It doesn't say. It just says cream color Dulce Pink. So I mean, this is nice if you're into the sort of cream colors. I wish it would have said like what it was for, so we can kind of get a gist of it. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how much everything retails for, so you guys can get a gist of it. So the Jericho Cosmetics hand cream is $20. The Bang Beauty Glam cream color retails for $22. And let's see if it tells us like what it's for. It's a multi-use. Oh, okay. It can be used for the eyes, cheeks, and lips. Okay, so you can use it for basically anything. So that's kind of cool. The Oriza Beauty Lipstick Opus, it retails for $20. The Bagdenton Lashes Monroe Lash retails for $28. And the Babe Cosmetics Advanced Lash Extension Glue retails for $12. $102 USD. So that's a pretty good deal for, considering I only paid $7 for shipping to Canada. So I think that's a really, really good deal. So even if you didn't like the stuff that you got, you can go ahead and, you know, cancel the membership if you wanted to. You still get free products. Or if you wanted to continue to use the membership, I think you can do a survey curated to like what you want in your box. So you can go ahead and check them out for sure. I will have their website linked down below if you guys want to check them out. If you liked anything, you want to purchase anything or sign up for the free month, whatever you want to do, I have everything linked down below so you guys can check them out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.